Hey guys, this is Cameron with K-Tech Exterior Cleaning. We just finished up our box truck. Seen where a couple people been interested and have laid a couple things out, so I'm just going to do a video. Starting in the back, have our generator. Had a mount made. It is actually welded and bolted. Ran this main bar through it, drill a hole, put locks in it. Still got to get that done. And over here to the driver's side, put an RV door in for the Comet, and my drain valve, it just comes right out to the main water tank. Curbside, we have 3 electric grills, pressure hose, 5/8 hose for the Comet, and our garden hose. Back here, we have another garden hose fill line. This one's actually ran to the booster for force feed. This is a booster or 12-volt reel. This hose is just for storage. I have my hot water hose on here, what I use for the 8-gallon minute hot box. Coming up in the truck, got the 2x4 Basics kit from Amazon. We did the floor epoxy on that, just like we did the floor. Floor's a little dirty, still got to get it cleaned. But we put a toolbox in here. It's got all of our wrenches. One thing I like about these US General boxes is, for one, the price. For two, how deep these drawers are. I have it actually bolted to the table. Over here we have 12-volt transfer pump, and I have it ran to a little manifold system I'm still working on. This will be how I fill the bleach. Stick it on the outside of the door. Up here, this is the 12-volt pump ran to the reel. We can actually switch it right here to either use the booster pump or the 12-volt to the same hose reel. Got all the hoses ran nice and neat. Then we have the booster pump coming out of the proportioner. This is the switch to 12-volt or booster as well, so we have to do both valves depending on which one we want to use. This is set up with a control wizard. Have a 325 water tank, 55-gallon bleach tank. A 7-gallon soap tank is ran to the booster and 12-volt. The 16-gallon is ran to the Comet P40. Let's see. We have 1.5-inch feed hose ran to the pressure washer and a wide trap filter. The Comet is ran through the Midwest hydro mixer. Got the remote on and off for that as well to switch between soap and water. Got the hose reels are under the table. The wires ran to each one. I have them fed up to this box, which I have 4 posts, so only run 1 wire to the battery. These are switches for the 12-volt. They're all ran in there. I wanted to try to keep it a little open. I was going to put another 8-gallon a minute in here, but just didn't have the room. I still got to do a battery box over there to clean that mess up, all the wiring. This is for the proportioner bleach valve to pick between bleach or water to rinse it out. This is if I want to run a degreaser to the proportioner. I have not ran a hose or degreaser tank yet. I'm just keeping, for now, my 5-gallon soap jug down there. That's just extra parts, fitting, stuff like that. So yeah, everything's tried to run off the floor. I want to try to keep the floor open as possible so I could clean it, spray it out when I needed to. These 2 hoses, I didn't really have an option on how to do that, so they did have to go on the floor. But yeah, I mean, we are complete with it now. Just besides hooking up the transfer system, the rest of those hoses So if y'all have any questions, feel free just to message me and I'll try to answer them for you. Thank you.